You don't need to be perfect. All you have to do is keep moving forward. Hi guys, my name is Vishali. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about that why consistency and take one step forward to your dreams is more important than the perfection. Let's get into the video. Firstly, I highly believe that no human being on this earth is perfect. No one. Every human being have their own flaws and they live with that. The person who have the ability to accept their flaw and live their life with that and always move forward to their dreams are the people who achieve their dreams. And if a person who don't have the ability to accept their flaws, they are not ready to accept that I am this kind of human being and I have I don't have this and I can't do this. The person who don't have the ability to accept, the person who don't have the acceptance that I'm not ready to accept this and I'm not this, that type of person always stuck to become the perfect person. Always they never try to grow, they never try to become a good person, always because they think that I don't have any flaw, I am the perfect person and I don't need to improve myself. And that type of person never try to improve themselves. They never try to grow from inside. They never reach anywhere. They stuck where they were. And the person who have acceptance, the person who is ready to accept that yes, this is my flaw and I am going to work on this, and I always keep moving forward, and nothing can stop me, and I will do that no matter what. If I am not perfect, everyone have flaws, and I am also a human being, not a god. I also have flaws. I'm not perfect, but I will keep moving forward. One day I will reach my dream. That type of human is able to do whatever they want to do. Like I said, always say, like, life is all about learning, life is all about progress, life is all about making mistake and learning from that. If you think that I am the perfect person and I never make mistake, I don't need to learn anything else, then there is no life. If a person is not learning from their mistake, the person who is not have the ability to accept that I can be wrong, that person is going nowhere in their life. They are just just a kind of rock on this earth. This is, I feel, you are living a life where people make mistake, everyone make mistake. Only those people live their life happily who have the ability to accept their mistakes, accept their flaws, and work on them. If you are carrying the kind of attitude that no, I'm not wrong and I can never be wrong, and nothing, I don't need to learn anything, then what are you doing? What are you doing? If you know everything, then what are you doing? And people can be expert in what they do. There are so many things to do where people are so much expert in their streams, in whatever they do. They are so much expert because they have so much experience. They were also a beginner. You see, that person is so much expert because they have experience. They have experience of failure. They learn from their failure. They accepted that yes, I did this wrong and now I'm going to move forward and work on my mistake. This is how they become expert in what they do. And they were also a beginner, like I said. And if someone is carrying the type of attitude that I don't need to learn anything, that means that person is doing nothing. They have no skills, they have nothing to do because they are the perfectionist, you know. But what is life without learning? It's nothing. So if you want, you can never be perfect. No one can never be perfect, never. You can be the expert in what you do. You can have the and you can be expert if you have the experience. If you have the experience, and experience grow when you learn, when you grow, when you move forward to your dreams. If you don't move forward to your dreams, that means there is no learning, there is no experience, and you can never be expert in what you really want to do. And I see there are so much people also who think that I will, they have dreams and they want to, do whatever they want to do, and, they have a dream life in their mind, but they never do anything to live that life, only because they think that they are not capable enough to do that. They think that they we see someone and we desire to live the life that they want, and we just think that, oh, they are so lucky, this person is so lucky because this person is living the life that I really want, or whatever. But we are not ready to see what that person went through to live the life that that person is living right now. We are not ready to see. We are not ready to see what was that person's first step. You see, if you want to live a certain type of life, if you want to do something in your life, if you have a goal, then you have to move forward. You have to take a step forward to your dreams, and you don't have to be perfect for that. No one no one is born with that privilege, like they just have the life that they always want to be. No one have that. Everyone think they want a certain type of lifestyle that they want to create, but only those people able to create the life they want, who move forward, who do something, who do things to reach their dream. If you sit and feel feeling bad about yourself, and if I and we also, what we do, we will be like, if I had this, I would have do that, I wish I had that, then I would probably do that. Because it is very easy to blame the situation, blame the circumstances, blame the people, rather than blame ourselves. Like, no one else is responsible for you. You are the person who is responsible for yourself. If you don't have the ability to create a life that you really want, then no matter how many good opportunities God give you, you will just ruin them. A person who is who have desires to live a certain type of life, who have dreams, who have ambitions, never wait for the perfect moment, and they never try to become the perfect. They start from where they are. They start from they they don't care where they are, they just go for it. No matter how bad they are in what they really want to do, they just go for it. This is how things happen. This is how big things happen, because people don't care about their background, their surroundings, and who they are really. They just want to do what they want to do, and they go for it. Always dream big, because it's your mind. You can think whatever you want to think, but for that dream to make come true, You have to take one step forward, no matter how small that step is. No matter, that doesn't matter at all. No, how small that step is, go for it. Just go for it. Go for it. At least you will be happy, you will be satisfied that you did what you wanted to do. You are trying everything, like you are trying your best to achieve your dreams. You will feel so happy. Every day is a new chance, every day is a new blessing. Do not waste your blessing, do not waste your chance. Go for it. No matter what you want, no matter what you desire from the life, that doesn't matter. If you want that, you can have that. All you need to do is take one step forward to your dreams. You don't have to be the perfect person, you don't need any perfect guidelines, you don't need nothing. All you need is self confidence. You need to believe in yourself. You need to tell yourself that no matter what, I will do that. No matter how small the growth is, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna make myself better for myself. And yeah guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something more interesting. Till then, take care. Bye. I love you. Bye.